Hey guys, so I am so late. I do have an appointment for my photo shoot, my birthday photo shoot. Yay! So the photo shoot is supposed to start at 1 p.m. and I'm super late. It's 1:33, so I'm like 33 minutes late. But the good thing is the photographer lives like 5 minutes away from my house, so I need to hurry. His studio is there, so I need to be in a hurry before someone else takes my spot. However guys, I do have my box packed here. I am ready to fly. You guys should stay tuned and I'll bring you along, okay? Bye.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove.
Hey guys, so I just got done with my photo shoot. I'm super excited about this photo shoot. This photo shoot has been long overdue since like I don't know how many years ago, to be very honest with you guys. So I'm excited about this. I can't wait to see my pictures. The photographer did say my pictures are gonna be ready by Tuesday. So I'm waiting because man guys, I can't wait to show off my pictures. So guys, here I did go hygiene shopping later that evening. I still did so many other things I documented, but I didn't want this video to be too long. That's why I didn't include it in this video. I'll probably show you guys in my next video.
Care about what I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing?
This is the Always Infinity Flex Phone. I got the for 6 pounds and the size 2, so technically slim, not so big, not so and this actually cost $6.85. It was actually about $9, but right now it's $6.85. And then here I did get the Olay Itchy Dry Skin. This is the first time I'm trying this one out. I have an Olay product, but it's not the Itchy Dry Skin. This is Instant Relief Body Wash. Super excited to try this. It's designed for sensitive skin, no parabens or dyes or soap. So I'm gonna be trying this and I'm gonna let you guys know. I like Olay, I like Dove. Yes. Okay. And then here guys, I do have my dry spray, which is the aluminium deodorant spray, shea butter. Let's see how this smells. I don't know how this smells. Smells pretty good, just like shea butter. Let's see how much I got this real quick. So I got this for $8.79. And then here I did get this cap. The one I have, I don't know, it's not like this, quite different. So when I saw this one, I was like, okay, I'd like to try this one out. This one, let's see how much I got this. I got this for $8.39. So I just got my birthday gift, guys, and I'm super excited. So Mr. T got all of this for me. This is a Michael Kors sandals. That's the silver. This is the gold. And here we do have the purse and also a Michael Kors perfume. For those of you guys that know, I have been saying it that I wanted to add to my perfume collection, and I'm beginning to gradually add to my designer collection because I'm not someone who uses my own money to buy designer stuff because I kind of feel I haven't gotten there yet, but I'm accepting gifts. So guys, here we go. I am super excited about this, guys. And then let me just show you guys Michael Kors Wonder Lost. This is a 3.5 ounce perfume, and then this purse came with the bag. Okay guys, so I didn't see this coming. You guys can see my house is a mess. I was surprised this morning, and this is what my surprise is looking like. I got some fruits, mini wine, just little cute birthday stuff, huh? Super excited. And this is from Ronnie. Thank you so much, Ronnie. You're the best. Thank you so much. And then I got this morning as well with some bottles of wine. Who owned the car?
It's the car. It's the car.
Don't buy my slippers for me. You're welcome. Mommy, I need her shoe. So guys, today is my birthday and I am all dressed up and ready to go for my birthday mate's birthday party. I'm super excited about this, guys. I just thought to stop by, show you guys what I'm looking like real quick. I'm looking like a bag of money right now. Go Nike. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there watching this video today. You guys are probably not gonna be watching this video on my birthday and on Mother's Day, but still happy Mother's Day. As today has been so overwhelming for me. it started with me getting up at about 9 a.m. in the morning, and I got a cake and 2 glasses of wine. I was surprised, like I didn't see it coming, as if that was not enough. Ronnie, shout out to Ronnie, my friend, guys. You guys know her on this channel. She's my friend. So she went ahead and surprised me again. Someone was knocking at the door and I ran downstairs, and it was like a whole tea. If they send me the video, I'm gonna be uploading it with this particular video that I'm making right now. You guys will see it. I wasn't even dressed. I was still on my nightie. I was so surprised, guys. Anyway, guys, I did have a fun-filled birthday. I'm super excited to be alive. It's a privilege. You know, God has made me to see this bright and beautiful day. As you can see, the weather is bright too. I'm super excited about this day. Thanks to everyone that wished me happy birthday today, both on Instagram, on WhatsApp, Facebook, you know, everywhere. I'm super excited and I'm grateful. Thanks to you guys. I do appreciate the wishes. I have 2 Instagram accounts, so managing 2 Instagram accounts is not even easy. I can't even keep up right now. I'm just like, you know what, let me just go and enjoy this day. Let me go and soak myself in this day, go have fun. I'll be documenting it once I am back. Then I can now pull myself together, reply everybody's messages. Thank you guys so much for all the warm wishes. For those of you that remembered, and those that still do not remember, that have wished me even before now on YouTube here, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be able to show you guys a full view of what I look like right now, so we're gonna wait until my mom gets back, then she's gonna make a full view of it.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do it.
So this is my birthday day. Just so you guys know how beautiful she is.
Are you ready?